So I just finished my second month in the PT Legends course with Eric. And in my second month, I made well over $4,000. Already this month, as of last night, only 2 days into my third month, I already collected over $1,000. So I love the course. Thing is, I've been a trainer for over 18 years. I've worked in some of the biggest gyms for the biggest brands, in the industry. In every area. I've been, tons of gyms doing sessions all day, all night. I've always done pretty good. I've worked in a bunch of private studios. I've even owned my own studio for quite a while. And this is the best I've ever done. I was hesitant at first because I'm just a real old school hands-on gym guy. And I've done everything I could to do as well as I could. Most trainers would like to have the career that I've had. I've been very, very busy. But there's only so many hours in a day. And there was always a ceiling, like a cap on how much you can make. I was grinding like 12 to 15 hour days. I was trying to maximize my time by doing a lot of small groups, which brings in really good money, but nothing, compared to this. It's just, there's no ceiling. There's no limit to what you can make if you put the work in, if you follow the plan. I feel like I have better interactions with my clients. I could be there for my clients more when I'm in the gym. I'm hustling them in and out, session to session, back to back to back. This way I'm in touch with them all day. Everything's a lot more individualized. They feel like they're getting a lot more for their money. I'm getting really good results from people. And, the money's there. I was, of course, hesitant at first. There's a lot of coaches out there. And I hit it off with Eric. I trusted him. I believed in him. I just had a gut feeling to go with him. And right out of the gate, I was happy. I did what he told me to do. The first month, I made well over $3,000. And then, like I said, the second month, I went well over $4,000. And already, we were only 2-3 days into the first month, and I already collected $1,000 already. I got a lot of leads out there. I have calls to make. Anytime I was stuck, Eric's accessible night and day. I shoot him messages all the time. If he doesn't hear from me, he shoots me a message, see how things are going. If I have if I'm stuck on a lead or what I want to do with a price or just anything I'm trying to juggle or figure out. He's just always giving me the clarity, steered me in the right direction. Just follow the blueprint. What he does works. You know what I mean? And your clients will be appreciative of what you're offering them. It's a great program. I tell her I'm so happy I did it. My only regret is that I didn't do it sooner. And in my 18-year career, this is the best I've ever done. And this is my way out of the grind, man. I don't want to do 12, 15-hour days anymore. I want to do this. So it hasn't taken long for me to start to make the transition. So this is my priority. I could use my personal time better. I don't have to be exhausted trying to drag out 12, 15-hour days, trying to get those sessions in, always trading your time for money. I reach more people. There's no limit to what you can make. And it's just a wonderful program. And I'm just really appreciative. And I'm thankful that I linked up with them. And like I said, follow the plan and you'll get paid.